Good evening, everybody. Thank you for joining me. This is meteorologist Andy Agudeyev with the weather, and there's going to be a severe weather outbreak in South Florida tomorrow. Central and South Florida could see some very severe thunderstorms tomorrow, tornadoes, damaging winds, some hail, but the primary threat is going to be tornadoes and damaging winds. Let's take a look at the forecast for tomorrow. Let's look at the supercell composite index. There we go. Here's the supercell composite for tomorrow. This is where they put out an enhanced risk for tomorrow, according to the Storm Prediction Center. Right there. See, an enhanced risk. All the way from central South Florida, all the way up to north central Florida, including the Space Coast, including Cape Canaveral is under enhanced risk. They might even issue a moderate risk, possibly, some of what I'm observing right now. Yep, look at that. I don't know if that PDS tornado, well, they're both PDS tornadoes. I'm going to see which one is which. I'm just going to take a look at it. Yeah, generate. That's the one for Central Florida for tomorrow. So you want to make sure that's not a PDS. If it is, that looks really bad. Yep, okay, it's tornado. But it's pretty close to PDS. I mean, there's definitely a high threat of this blue line. Basically gives a percentage how likely a probability is. So there's a very high risk of EF3, of significant tornadoes here. I mean, look at this. I mean, this line, it represents a less than 50%. Or like, if it's higher than this is like, if this goes over here, I would say this is PDS. Generate. So this is for tomorrow. Yep, PDS tornado. Yep, this looks really bad. So potential for some really bad tornadoes tomorrow. And not only tornadoes, but hail too. Let's look at simulated reflectivity for tomorrow. There's already supercells developing out here. And here comes those storms for tomorrow. Boom, right there. See those right here? Supercells, embedded meso vortices right there. And some of that energy can go into the Carolinas. You could have potential for tornadic activity right about here. See? Because that line's going to go northeast. Looking at day 3 for Friday. Some thunderstorms possible here in northeast, heavy rain. Primary threat is flash flooding. But for today, just a general thunderstorm risk. But looking at day 2, severe weather is likely. And look what they're saying right here. This is definitely a tornado threat for tomorrow. Slow eastward movement of the storms may allow for heating to occur in some diurnal uptick and intensity. Damaging winds appears most likely given the strong wind fields and likelihood of boundary layer. So they're saying mostly damaging winds, but definitely tornadoes are likely too. I'm surprised they're not mentioning tornadoes, but there's definitely going to be a tornado threat tomorrow. See, isolated tornado threat. Yep. See that right here? Severe thunderstorms capable of damaging winds and perhaps a tornado are possible across much of Florida and possibly into eastern North Carolina Thursday. So they're trying to say probably this little enhanced risk right here. You see that little enhanced bubble here? That's for tornadoes. So I would say this is going to be a 2% risk of tornadoes. All of this will probably be 2%. And I'll say this will be between 5 and 10%. So probably 2, 5, and 10 for tornadoes, and it could also be damaging winds. Not all that could be tornadoes. This will probably be for winds right here. And this will be possibly for winds, maybe tornadoes. So this could be, I believe, a 2% risk of tornadoes. Yeah, because in order to have tornadoes, you need to, I think, have a slight. Yeah, 2% will give you a green with a marginal, a 5% a slight, and 10% enhanced. So I think there could be a 10% risk of tornadoes here. So definitely tornadoes are likely. I would say, based on the sounding I just looked at, I would believe that some high-level tornadoes are possible. I believe mostly low-level tornadoes, but I believe a few long-track tornadoes are definitely possible. But see, there's nothing for hail, so these are going to be low-top supercells. So based on that, I'm not going to say any F5 tornadoes. No. I would say EF, the strongest ones could be an EF3, maybe one EF4, but I don't think so. I think mostly EF1s, EF2s, maybe a couple EF3s. But you'll have mostly like squall line tornadoes. Maybe a couple of renegade supercell, low-top supercells. But this definitely gives a low-top supercell here. Because see, it says no quality matches for hail. Because these are going to be tropical low-top supercells at that time. But this here, right about now, let's generate something because there's some convective activity passing through. This will be more cold. This will be more generated by cold air aloft. Let's look at these two soundings here. See, nothing for tornadoes. Just see, no quality matches. So what I'm expecting for tomorrow is primarily damaging winds, a few tornadoes. One or two could be long track and severe. And then this storm will go into the northeast, so severe weather for tomorrow. And then heavy rain, some thunderstorms for New York. And then looking in the long range, possibly a coastal storm. Could also be a rain event. Because the other models are not hinting on the storm. Just the Euro at the moment that's hinting on it. Looking at the midnight run, see, it's not even there. It doesn't even show up anymore. So it's not a big chance of a storm. But I'm really concerned about tomorrow. And I will make an update tomorrow as necessary. Actually, tomorrow I'll be out. So I'll be doing updates on Twitter. So mostly I'll be doing updates on Twitter and on Facebook about tomorrow's severe weather threat. So on Twitter, follow me at StormChaserNYC. And my Facebook name is Andy Agude, which is my real name. Just send me a friend request. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is private. So just give me a follow request and I will automatically accept it. My Instagram is private, you know, for personal reasons. I don't want my family seeing all my social media, so I made it private for that reason. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Just click the subscribe button and then click the notification bell on the right so you can get all the updates on my latest videos. And I will be making weather videos on a daily basis from now on. And if I can't make it on a daily basis, I'm very sorry, but I'll try to do it as much as I can. Thank you for watching and have a great day.